All right, let's go charge this thing up. I'll show you the, while we're doing it, I just got the spare tire, the Tesla spare tire kit installed. They finally had enough spare tires to hand them out. Had the truck for 4 months or so, something like that. So I'm gonna plug it in, and then we'll look at what we got for the accessories on this thing. Yeah, I decided not to put the wheel covers on, but this is how they show up. There's those wheel covers in there. So I'm not going to use those. I don't think they look cool. I like the wheel plugs that I've got. $30 on Amazon for the wheel plugs instead of the wheel covers. So I'm going to store these guys. And then let's see what we got here. The toolkit must be in the bag. Just a pocket right there. Release. Okay. Seems pretty cool. All right. Oh, so yeah, they gave me a different tire. Got the Goodyear Territory RT for the spare, and I got the Goodyear, what do I call that one? Something else on that one. See, the sidewall's different. So would have been nice if they'd have given me a matching spare tire, but they aren't doing that. Okay. What do we have here? Bottle jack, pretty standard. Got a puller for the covers, handles, covers, some tools, lug nut, lug wrench. I guess it'll get the job done. Let's see here. Yeah, that'll get the job done. Pretty simple for almost $2 grand. But it is what it is. Now I don't have to get a flatbed truck to tow this sucker when I get a flat tire, which happened to me in the middle of nowhere. Simple process to get it done, but I did get stuck in the middle of nowhere out here in Texas. Had to wait a few hours for a flatbed to show up, and then no way for me to change the tire because I got no spare. It was very disappointing, being a guy that has typically had, with the War Rig over there, the best tire setup for cross country. Being self-sufficient has been an adjustment to try to get back to self-sufficient with the Cybertruck. So that's just a quick unpackage on the Cybertruck spare tire kit.